Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Light pink color, brown color, light green color, red color, purple color, yellow color, blue color, black color, sky blue color, dark pink color, dark green color, and orange color. Kids, now you draw A and use orange color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use sky blue color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use yellow color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and use purple color. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use pink color. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.